Alright, what's up guys? Today here, I'm going to be giving you guys a little special here of me making Ebelskivers. It's a Minnesota classic, basically little pancake balls. And so I'm just going to be making and showing you how to prepare them exquisitely. Alright, and so first, we're going to start here we have to separate the eggs and the yolks. So I'm just going to put the yolks in here and the whites in here. Really simple process. This isn't the most accurate way to do it, but it gets the job done right. Mainly. So here we go, put the yolks in there, toss this aside, and so on and so forth until eventually we get all of the yolks by itself. The bad issue with this is, however, is that you can puncture the yolk and therefore it could spread into the whites, which we don't want, because later on we're going to have to whisk those into a nice puree, so that way it makes the Ebelskivers nice and light and fluffy. There we go, halfway done now. And what's so fantastic about these is that they're a little bite-sized, so if you're trying to entertain a bunch of people, it's a nice little light snack you can make. However, they do take quite a bit of effort, and you have to have the proper tools in order to make it. And so for an example here, to the right of me, as you can see, we have a nice little pan there. It's a Ebelskiver pan, and it makes it so that it turns it into the balls nice and easily. There's one more, and finally, the last one. Crack it in half, separate it nice. Shit. That was a mistake. Well, it's a good thing you have to plan for all types of occasions. My hands off real quick. Take a little spoon, scoop it out. We'll do this side action. Throw it in there with the yolks. Now we have the whites and the yolks in here. Alright, put the spoon away for now. Don't mind the dishes. Alright, and now we have to do the flour. Flour is quite a bit. I'm tripling the recipe because I have quite a large family who likes to eat their Ebelskivers quite frequently. So we need 4.5 cups of flour. So it was 1 or 1.5. Hopefully I have enough flour. 1 cup. 2. 2 cups. 2.5. Let me just a little measure out of the way here. 3. Oh, really good one. Oh, just 3 cups. That's all we need. Alright, so now we're done. Now that we have that, what we're going to do is make it nice and even here. We're going to mix the egg yolks right into the flour here. It's a nice little mixture. And while we're doing that, I'm also then going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter, but times that by 3, so 6 tablespoons of butter. In the microwave here for 30 seconds. Alright, and now here we have 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Put that in there as well 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. After that, we're going to mix it one last time. Butter's just about done. I'm pouring for a couple more seconds here because 30 seconds is not enough. This, wonderful, wonderful. Still should be pretty dry. Just get a nice little twirl up in here, yeah. Alright, now I'll do that. I'm going to pour the eggs right back into this one so we can have a little bit more room to work with here. We're going to take our beater here, and we're going to make them nice and white. Yeah, you don't want to go overboard. I'll show you what they look like when we're done mixing here. Pardon the noise too. Stupid microwave. Alright, there we go. Got some nice heated butter. Put that to the side for now as we continue to mix the egg whites. Alright, now we have a nice little bubbly here now. That's just what we want. Alright, and then now as we're mixing up this file raw here, one thing left to do, and that is to add 3 cups of milk. And again, we are tripling the recipe. Let me just put that in nice. Oh yeah. Oh, splendid. You can do orange juice as well, however, milk. Who doesn't like milk? I'll choose a little bit bigger bowl for having this really help in the recipe, but we don't need this too well. And there's supposed to be chunks in here, so don't worry about if there is chunks. And now that we've done a nice little mixing, I'm just going to top it off here. Just a little bit of extraness. Once it gets nice and dry. Add our butter. mix both, I'm going to slowly add the egg whites in to the batter. Just a little bit here. I'm going to fold. During this process here, we're going to really incorporate the fluffiness into the batter. I want to make sure we slowly add that until all of the white fluff and bubbles from the egg whites are mixed in. It'll take a little while, but the folding really makes sure that the fluffiness stays in there. You don't want to overbeat it. Alright, sorry for that. Look, the camera just died, so now for the sake of speed, I'm going to speed it up and talk over what I'm doing here. And so what I'm doing now is I preheated the pan to a nice medium hot temperature of the Ebelskiver pan, specially made for Ebelskivers. And then take a little spoon or a scooper like so pictured now, and I'm going to put them all into each of the 9 holes. And what's so special about Ebelskivers is you can customize them however you want. And now I'm going to show you what I do. Right here we have a little bit of Grandma's homemade raspberry jam. And we're going to stuff it right in there. And what's going to happen is that when they cook it, it's going to be a nice little filling for the inside. And then next to it, I'm going to do a little bit of blueberries because we really like blueberries. It makes a nice little filler. It's like blueberry pancakes almost. And then here, what I do to flip it then, you got to get some time. But we have like a little chopstick, you can use chopsticks, but this is a skewer. And what you do is you break it in half, so that way you have 2. Having 2 is necessary to flipping them. And as I show you here, you put one on the back and one on the front, and you just slowly flip them. Sorry, my hand's kind of in the way. However, as you can see right now, they've already been kind of cooked, and flipping them makes it so that all sides get cooked as you do with pancakes. And you can see the nice golden brown texture. And as we continue this on, you're able to do whatever type of Ebelskivers you like. My brother and my sister, their favorite ones are almond poppy seed. However, that's not my favorite. My favorite one's chocolate chips. We didn't have chocolate chips in the household, so unfortunately, I wasn't able to make them. But the fruit ones also taste good. I'm more of a sweet guy myself. And so now you're looking pretty good. Take a little fancy plate there, so I'll come and give it to my mom, obviously. She's such a sweetheart. And then so here, what I'm doing is I'm about to flip them, make sure they're all nice and toasty. And as you can see, the golden brown on this side is just exquisite. I mean, it really is. You can just look at them and it's like a little sun, you know what I mean? It's like you want to take a bite of it right then and there. Also be a little too hot. I'm going to take the skewer, I'm going to put them on the plate here. Try my best to make it nice and fancy for her. She does everything for me, so I thought I just got to do what I can to make it look good for her. You can top it with syrup, however. I use some powdered sugar. And then as you can see now, after I'd powdered sugar it all up, oh yeah, let me hand deliver it to my mother, and I hope she likes them. Oh, it looks like she loves them. Boys, we did it.